Boma's lead forms help you grow your accounting or bookkeeping practice. You can use lead forms to build a newsletter, gather signups for an event or promotion, or capture leads in return for a downloadable guide. You can create lead forms easily within the Boma product and use it on your website, and also link them to social posts and email campaigns. You will be able to select the form name, as well as choose how you would like the form page heading to be laid out. You can also change the form page body, but you can also leave these as they are as well. You will then be able to select the specific fields that you would like to add into this particular form. The Post Submit tab will allow you to either send the client or lead to a specific web page, or also display a message once this form has been submitted. You can also choose the headline of that message, as well as the message itself. The Settings tab will allow you to add a tag, which will further help you segment your contacts within your database. Now, this is great because once this form has been set up and the contact has been created, that contact will automatically be associated with the tag 2022 new leads. You can also get an email notification sent to you once this form has been filled out. And so all you would need to do is add your email address within this text box. If you have a domain, you will be able to add that into this text box right here. And once you click on Save, an HTML code will be created where you can use this to embed in your website. Now, this is great because this particular lead form will then be accessible directly from your website. Once a form has been submitted, you will be able to review the results of the form and also the wider information associated with it. If you have any further questions or queries on this, you can email us on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to our team using the chat symbol to the bottom right of your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.